Hello everyone. Want to use my voice easily? Check out this video tutorial. I think it's the best way to generate a celebrity voices.
As you just heard, I can say anything I want in Obama's voice. How to do? I use SoundBot, a free AI voice changer. After launching it, select your input and output devices while adjusting the appropriate volume here. Select AI voice change in the sidebar. Find Obama's voice changer here. You can preview the effect of the voice changer by clicking on the play button.
I hope that instead you decide to ground yourself in values that last.
Simply click on the Use the Voice button, then press the microphone icon and start speaking. Your voice will be instantly transformed into Obama's voice in real time. Now you can do some fun things with Obama's voice.
Now you can use my voice as much as you want.
The best part is that SoundBot is completely free. Besides Obama, there are voices of other celebrities such as Trump, Biden, Musk, and others. There are also over 400 different voices in VoiceBox in the sidebar to change your voice in real time, and you can use it on Pub, Discord, Skype, and other platforms. And if you want to beautify your own voice, that's achievable too. Isn't it very easy? I've put the download link below the video. Try it out now.